K-drama lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something explosive, emotional, and absolutely unforgettable: the top 10 high school action K-dramas that bring both punches and powerful storytelling. So grab your popcorn and get ready for a wild ride. Let's jump right in. 10. Extracurricular. This Netflix original drama is a gritty, dark, and suspenseful high school series that mixes crime, violence, and survival like no other. The drama OG Soo is a top student with a secret: he runs an illegal business to pay for college. But when his classmate Bae-gyu discovers his secret, things spiral out of control. What starts as a secret side hustle turns into a violent, dangerous game involving gangsters, betrayal, and survival. Though it's not a traditional action drama, Extracurricular has intense, violent scenes and emotional tension that will keep you on the edge of your seat. It topped charts on Netflix in several countries and gained a global fanbase. 9. Shark, the Beginning and Shark, the Storm. Shark takes a darker, more psychological route. Season 1, Shark the Beginning, introduces us to a world where high schoolers are stuck in a dangerous game of betrayal and survival. Season 2, Shark the Storm, turns up the heat with bigger fights and even more twists. While the action isn't non-stop, every punch and confrontation is powerful and meaningful. The fights come out of nowhere fast, sharp, and brutal. The cinematography adds a cold, moody vibe, and the characters are complex, each hiding secrets and scars. It's a show that stays with you long after the final episode. 8. Doko Rewind. A direct prequel to the Dogo webtoon universe, Doko Rewind stars EXO's Sehung as Kang Hyuk, a teen driven by the need to avenge his brother's death. Teaming up with close friends, he takes on school gangs in brutal street fights. The show is short but packed with action, emotion, and raw energy. Sehung trained in martial arts for this role, and you can see his dedication in every fight scene. Many scenes were filmed in real alleyways to stay true to the gritty, grounded feel of the webtoon. The drama is perfect for fans who love underdogs rising up against the odds. 7. Boyhood. Boyhood is set in 1980s South Korea and gives us a nostalgic but action-filled story. Jung Byung-tae is a weak, bullied student who transfers schools hoping for peace but ends up being mistaken for a legendary fighter. Suddenly, he's pulled into a world of fights, friendships, and unexpected leadership. IMC Van's performance is amazing. He starts off timid but slowly grows stronger, emotionally and physically. The 80s setting is also spot on, with old school uniforms, retro classrooms, and classic Korean vibes. The fight scenes are grounded and simple but satisfying, just like old school street fights. If you enjoy underdog growth stories with a side of nostalgia, don't miss this one. 6. High School Return of a Gangster. What happens when a middle-aged gangster's soul ends up in the body of a high school boy? You get the High School Return of a Gangster. Kim Duk-pal is 47-year-old thug who dies saving a bullied teen and wakes up in the teen's body. Now, with gangster skills and a new identity, he decides to clean up the school and protect the weak. It's funny, heartfelt, and full of intense action. The fight scenes are clever, using everyday school items as weapons, and the bromance between characters is surprisingly emotional. This drama shows that redemption can come in the most unexpected way. 5. Pyramid Game. Next up, number 5 is Pyramid Game, a chilling twist on high school drama. In this story, students rank each other using a voting app. The lowest ranked students get bullied badly. Into this cruel system walks Seo Do-ah, played by WJSN's Bona. She's not here to play along, she's here to fight back. This drama blends psychological tension with powerful moments of rebellion and resistance. While the physical fights aren't as constant, they are intense, and the emotional battles hit just as hard. It's a brilliant metaphor for toxic social hierarchies, and Seo Do-ah's rise is both strategic and inspiring. 4. Study Group. Next up, number 4 is Study Group, is one of the freshest dramas in this genre. Yoon Ga-min is a quiet, book-smart teen with secret martial arts skills. He enters a rough vocational school and dreams of forming a study group. But before he can hit the books, he has to take on bullies and protect his classmate. The fight scenes are fast, stylish, and full of energy. The choreography reflects the webtoon art perfectly, thanks to the production team's close work with the original creator. It's a great mix of wholesome friendships, action, and perseverance. 3. Revenge of Others. Revenge of Others is a must-watch Korean drama and one's for mystery lovers. In the drama OK Chanmi, played by Shin Yoon, is searching for the truth behind her twin brother's death. She partners with Ji Soo Hyun, a vigilante student who secretly punishes bullies. Together, they uncover the dark underbelly of their school. The fights are brutal, from rooftop chases to back alley showdowns. But what really makes this drama shine is the emotional depth. It's about grief, justice, and the blurry lines between right and wrong. Plus, the chemistry between the leads adds even more impact. The storytelling is tight, the performances are gripping, and the overall vibe is dark and cinematic. 2. One High School Heroes. One High School Heroes is one of the most exciting recent releases. Top student Kim Yoo-yam, played by Lee Young-ha, is tired of being controlled by his strict father. He teams up with Kang Yoon-gi and forms a vigilante group to fight back against the violence and corruption in their school. This drama has some of the best choreographed fights in Korean drama history: classroom brawls, stairwell stunts, and rooftop takedowns. But beyond that, it has heart. Every character has a backstory, a reason to fight, and a role in the bigger mission. It's a story that hits hard and stays with you. Second on the list is One High School Heroes. 1. Weak Hero Class 1 and Class 2. At number 1 is the ultimate high school action drama Weak Hero Class 1 and Class 2. Park Ji-hoon plays Yoon Si-yoon, a small, quiet student who seems weak but don't be fooled. He's sharp, strategic, and completely fearless when it comes to standing up to bullies. What makes this drama legendary is how Si-yoon uses anything around him from pens to books to outfight his enemies. Season 1 focuses on his emotional trauma and friendships, while Season 2 raises the stakes with new enemies and even tougher challengers. This drama is intense, emotional, and perfectly paced. It's not just about fists, it's about survival, intelligence, and finding strength in the face of pain. Its unflinching look at school violence and bullying, paired with stellar performances and tight storytelling, makes it a must-watch. And that's our list of the top 10 high school action K-dramas you absolutely shouldn't miss. Which one is going on your watch list first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest drama lists and reviews.